Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy Paladin Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today this shipped from Las Vegas, Nevada. I want to go so bad all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of their thousands of unboxings. Wow, they ain't playing. They gave me a brand new manila envelope. If you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net, riptapparel.com. Use my username London Hawthorne when you find your shirt of choice, and you'll save a bunch of money, a couple bucks off of each shirt. So they gave me a bunch of cool stuff. Bear with me. They sent me a gift card to a place called Jason's Deli. I have never heard of this. It must be a regional thing, but they sent me an extra gift card. I guess since I bought so much from them. So what I've been doing is going on eBay and finding gift cards of items of restaurants that I really like a Jimmy John's or Cracker Barrel as examples. And I've been buying them at a reduced, like if someone's selling a $25 gift card for $8, I'm gonna buy it up because it'll save me money in the long run. So I guess that was very generous. If you're watching this, guy, thank you. So these are several Jimmy John's gift cards. I'm not going to show you the barcode or the QR code, but I have 25 bucks in credit. Nothing really cool, I guess, to show you because I'm not going to show you the gift card. And then I got several Cracker Barrel ones. Several. Your Cracker Barrel Old Country. I've never been to Cracker Barrel. I hear it's excellent, but we have one about 45 minutes away from where I live. Never been. I've heard it's delicious. Yeah. So, I get gift cards at a reduced rate, and I really can't pass up on it. It saves me a lot of money in the long run. What do you guys think of Cracker Barrel? What do you guys think of Jimmy John's? What's your favorite thing? I like to get the gargantuan at Jimmy John's. It's pretty yummy. Get some pickles, some chips. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other thousands of videos. Wish you the best. Have a great day. My dumb self totally neglected. I had another packet of papers. These are also 2 Firehouse Subs, which I had once. I thought it was really good. I would go again. It was a little bit pricier than I want to spend, but with these gift cards, it'll be a lot easier for me to go. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped. I'm pretty excited, and thank you again, seller, if you're actually, his name is Jerry. Thank you so much. I guess maybe it's, I'm going to have to look up Jason's Deli and see if there's one around here. I really appreciate it. It says, yeah, thanks so much. I wish you the best. Thank you. Very nice of you. I wish you the best, everybody. Have a great day.